Hi everyone, my name's Joe Abraham and welcome to my course, Creating Workflow Actions in Splunk. I'm currently a network security consultant and a Pluralsight author for both IT operations and security topics. Are you trying to expand the uses of your data that's collected from your environment? Have you been wanting to try to add some additional context to it as well? In this course, we're going to do that. We will help you create workflow actions to assist you in providing more flexibility with your data so that you can take advantage of it in every way that you can. Some of the major topics that we will cover include get workflow actions, post workflow actions, and search workflow actions. By the end of this course, you'll know how to create and manipulate these workflow actions in both the Splunk CLI and the GUI. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with Splunk and be able to work with it, as well as have familiarity with basic IT terminology. Knowledge of machine data would help out as well. From here, you should feel comfortable diving further into the Splunk learning path at Pluralsight and learning more about both Splunk and the data that you can send to it through courses on generating tailored searches and creating and managing knowledge objects. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn more about Splunk with the Creating Workflow Actions in Splunk course at Pluralsight.